What's up, guys? We are back, and this time I'm doing the mountain behind me called Grotto here in Canmore, Alberta. You start down there, car park, cross over, and you're gonna want to come up this way right beside the creek bed, and we should find the trail just up here. I just wanted to mention, I just passed a sign that had an arrow pointing right, and that said loop on it. I don't want to do the horseshoe loop. I want to go up Grotto, so stick to the left beside the creek bed that you can see over there, and you'll just keep heading in the right direction. Well, it went from a very smooth, easy path to what we have in front of us now. Pretty steep. I just got up to a bit of a clearing now. I got Mount Lady McDonald over there. And this was a big reason why I chose this route to go up the western side of Grotto, so I could actually see whereabouts I'm at based on Lady Mac. Also right now, as you can see, it is insanely smoky. This is due to all the wildfires that are happening right now in BC, Alberta, and also in the United States. There's a major campfire ban. It's all over the place, impossible to miss if you're coming into the national park, and someone decided to have one, started another wildfire, and this just isn't good. Like, sure, wildfires are natural for the environment, but not man-made ones. Getting there. Right now I'm right next to this big rock face. When you come up on the ridge over there, stick towards the cliff and come up the left side around the rock band. And you're gonna come up right there, and there'll be another rock band, and you'll continue around the left side for that one as well. The view is amazing right now, minus the smoke. As I've been coming up just past that scramble, it's got a lot easier to walk on. It's just basically grippy rock again. And we have view of the summit. That could quite possibly be the false summit there, with the actual summit off in the distance. As you get farther up, the trail is a little bit less noticeable. Make sure to keep your eye out for some cairns or nukjuks. And as long as you're heading towards what looks like a summit, you know you're on the right direction. I've now found myself at the false summit, what I thought was going to be. We're at the backside of Grotto now. And then there's the true summit over there, so I'll just be following this ridge all the way over. Look at this landscape right now. Mountains poking up through the clouds, / smoke. I am so close right now. Actually, we are so close right now to being at the summit of Grotto. Look what we got to do now. I think we can do it. All together now. There it is, top of the Grotto. Feels good. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching my videos of hiking in the Canadian Rocky Mountains. What I'm aiming to do with these videos is to inspire you to come to Canada and do these very same hikes. Through the videos, I give documentation from the trailhead below to the summit up top. And with that, I hope to give you a little bit of an understanding and what to expect along the trail. Make sure if you have any suggestions to leave them in the comments below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope to see you around.